Well, gonna be hitting the road in a couple of weeks, and I want to give her first oil change. It's only got 4,000 miles on it, but the reason why I'm doing it early is because it's supposed to snow and rain for the next couple of weeks. Well, I don't know about snow, but they said a chance of snow, but it's not going to snow for 2 weeks straight. But I don't want to deal with it in the cold, so it's a nice day today, and already got it draining. And this is what we use to unloosen the drain plug. It is a 13 millimeter, I think. Yep, 13. And then pulling out this filter is kind of a pain in the butt. Let me get my other hand on it. It's better than reaching down there. I should be able to hand untighten it now. So, I'm going to get an extension and this here, which is a 24 milliliter. And swap it out with this Wix XP, which these things are the best in my opinion. You got to use the good stuff. I always want to use the good stuff in my rigs. It just makes them last a lot longer. But anyhow, I'm going to try and finish this up, and we'll give her a look at here in a minute. Alright, oil drain plug back in, and filter back in. Just snug it up pretty good, doesn't have to be too tight. And we're going to go with this flavor, and make sure you got a nice funnel and it's all cleaned out and properly tuned. And let's start filling this thing full of oil. All right, right there on the money. Perfect. Okay, that didn't take long. I would encourage everybody to change their own oil. It's not that hard. You know it's done right when you do it yourself. And don't forget to write down the date and the mileage. That's really important. Okay, thanks for watching. I also want to mention one last thing. Write down your mileage on the back of the cardboard box that you got your filter in, and just put it up on your visor. That way you'll know in the future. Thanks for watching.